Hey, this is Jed Miller with Prince Precision Products again, and today we're going to talk about one of our newest continuous improvements, our machine shop scheduling board. So we wanted to come up with a board so we could schedule our jobs in the machine shop so everyone could easily come and identify what step of the process the job's in currently. So we created a board. We wanted to organize it by CNC lathes, CNC mills, and manual mills. We have this top section here. That's the queue for what's going on the machine next. If there's a reason why the part needs to be waiting or the job needs to be waiting before it can go on the machine, we have a queue or a waiting area down at the bottom of the board, and it's also color coded by reasons that it would be waiting, as waiting on material, programming, waiting on another reason, or it's a rush job, or it's also a non-conformance. So this would give anybody in the shop an easy way to come look at the board and see what step of the process the job's currently in.